go. I've commandeered a ferry, as is my right as an Opal gold card holder. I've already spent my $2.50 for the day, and I'm going from Barangaroo to Circular Quay on the ferry. Never done it before. There's the old casino there. So we're gonna cruise around. Reminds me of the old Olympic days on the Darling Harbour launch during the Olympics. Hopefully the wind's not too bad. But yeah. There's a bridge in the distance. Barangaroo. The new swimming pool, rock pool, reminiscent of the Nanga people from the Krakatini tribe with Nigel. Done some wonders with this, they really have. Just looking back on the casino there. There she is in all her glory.